Welcome to Quality Connect with KP again. Today, I want to share with you a very important aspect of the life which makes us as a very good person, as a very good professional. And the topic of today's sharing is faith. Faith means, I'm sure you are understanding what is faith. There are three kinds of faith. One is religious faith, family faith, and professional faith. Now let's come to first religious faith. As a lot of times we say we are Hindus, we are Muslims, we are Sikh, we are Christians. What is religious faith? For example, when I go to a temple, what I do? Normally, I wash my hands, I take off my shoes off, and then I go inside the temple. Do you think our God is telling me, hey KP, don't come inside the temple without shoes? I didn't think so. But this is my religious faith. When my Muslim brothers are going to a masjid to pray namaz, they put a cap on the head. If Allah is telling like come to me without cap, no, this is my religious faith. Whenever we go to any Gurdwara, all of us, my Sikh brothers, anyhow, they have their pagris and patkas and all. But me, if I go, I put something hanky or something on my head. This is the religious faith. And I guess we are very, very strong in religious faith. And sometimes I guess with over religious faith is also causing a lot of trouble, but that's a different matter. Second, family faith. Imagine if any one of us is going out on the road and we see there is an accident. And when we see the accident, normally what we do? We say, hey, what has happened? A car has hit the motorbike guy, etc., etc. And you see 50, 100 people, but no one is helping him. Imagine if that guy who's there in a pool of blood is your brother or any very close relative. What happens? I don't even think about police. I don't think about law. I don't think about anything. What I will do is I will just grab him in my car or wherever, whatever source I have, and then I will take him into the hospital. That is the family faith. And I can tell you, in India context and in Asia, the family faith is very, very strong. Now, a professional faith. I guess this is very, very important for all of us. We are very good in religious faith. We are very good in family faith. But when it comes in terms of professional faith, a lot of times we are not very good there. And there is a research done by John Needle in 1989. Like all of us, if I say 1 to 10, in religious faith maybe we are 7, 8. In family faith we are 9 to 10. But professional faith we are 1 to 4 or maximum 5. A lot of times we say, I will only do this kind of job because I am getting only this salary. A lot of times I will say, why I should do more? Why I should come in second shift? If company is asking me to do more, why I should do? Let other person do. I am getting only this salary and this salary I will only do this kind of task. And I guess I strongly suggest when we have a professional faith means in that company, wherever, whatever, small, bigger, in whichever company we are working today, if our family and whole eco-structure or wherever we are able to sustain ourselves is due to that particular company. Even we are paying whatever they are paying to me, my survival is based on my our current organization. A lot of times we start blaming those organizations. And my strong recommendation is wherever we are working, even if we are working for 1 day, 100 days, 1000 days, 10 years, 20 years, we should have professional faith for that company. And when I say professional faith means they have some processes, they have some systems, they have some customers, they have some stakeholder. How we follow all those processes and we work with professionalism. When I say professionalism means, for example, if I am working in a different city and my boss is in a different city. Now my boss is not looking on me what I'm trying to do. But it's my faith how much I am doing my duty with passion, with ethics. I should not wait what my boss is thinking, what my company is thinking. I should say, I am working for this company. I am a professional of this company. My contribution is very important for this company, and that's what I have to do, so and so. So my conclusion on this is, in professional faith is very, very, very important for all of professionals. There is another search which was done by John Neal, and it tells like the guys who are very good on professional faith, who are very committed on the professional faith, they are the guys who are very successful in the professional life. And the bottom pyramid, if you see in the professionalism, we have three pyramids: bottom pyramids, medium pyramid, top pyramid. And we have seen the bottom pyramids, 80% of the folks who are in the bottom pyramids, they are very, very bad or not good in the professional faith. Means they are doing job just for the sake of the job. They are not in their job. They are not in their company, but they are coming 9 to 5 job, just do it. And I guess, do you want to in that bottom pyramid? I am sure every one of you, including me, want to be the top pyramid. So if we have to be top pyramid, then we need to do a lot in the professional faith. I'm sure you will like this professional faith. And frankly speaking, right now, if you want to succeed, this professional faith mantra is very, very, very important. And I can guarantee you, if you follow this model, your career will fly. Your boss will love you. Your company will love you. And your career will go up. Thank you for seeing me. See you soon.